Today's episode is Pollyanna plays lollipop chainsaw while grounded. I'm going to play lollipop chainsaw while Dad are not here. Oh. There's a dead school game. But that was a good game. Oh no. It's your dad.
Polliana, how dare you play lollipop chainsaw? That game is rated M for mature. Tax it. You're grounded for 9, 4, 8, 5, 7, 9, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 years. Go to the demon room.
Oh no. Why can I get sent to demon room? It's gonna be a torture. Oh no. A demon.
That's right. I come 4 years old.
No. Someone. Help me. No 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 no.
That was good.